guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a quick update for you guys to keep you guys informed and tell you guys of what's going on. So in the New Year video, I was meant to explain about why me and Lazy's not going on holiday anymore, what's going to happen, you know. So way before New Year, me and Lisa said that we was going to go to Tenerife for 2 weeks in July this year. So we sorted out Lisa's passport. It got closer and closer. She still hasn't got her passport to this day. She needs to get on to them and sort her passport out. And obviously Christmas was coming up. It was so hectic with Christmas and trying to sort out the holiday as well. It was just a bit manic. So in the end, we decided to not go on holiday this year, but we've still kept our holidays that we've booked from work. So we've got 2 weeks off in July. We can do what we want. We can go out when we want, you know, we can do things. I can spend more time with Nathan, you know, do things just with me and him. Me and Lisa can go out shopping. You know, we've got 2 weeks off away from work. It would have been nice to go to Tenerife, but unfortunately things happen and yeah, things change. So even though we are not going to Tenerife this year, but there is still holiday content coming up this year as well. So I am now going to Butlins for Christmas with my other half and his mum and dad. So there will be some kind of Butlins Christmas vlog. I will try and film as much as I could when in Christmas, because obviously I want to enjoy it as well. So I want to try and film as much as I can each day. I'm only going for 4 days, and yeah, I'm going to try and film as much as I can. I'm going to keep you guys updated. There is going to be like holiday hauls and stuff. There's going to be like Sheen haul for the holiday, because I've got to pop some stuff into my suitcase. I've taken all my holiday stuff out of my suitcase. I popped it away, so it's all empty in there. It's only got all my little cube things in there, my cosmetics bags and stuff. So there will be a come pack with me for Butlins. I will be buying brand new stuff as well for Butlins. Everything for Butlins is all going to be brand new. So hair conditioner, shampoo, hairspray, the lot I'm going to buy. So there is going to be a great big Sheen haul for the holiday as well. There's going to be like a help me pack my suitcase sort of thing. So every little thing that I'm buying for Butlins, I'm going to pop it straight into my suitcase, organise it properly, make it look a little bit more better. Excuse, I've only just realised what I look like in the mirror, but please excuse the state I look right now. I'm actually trying to film 3 videos before getting ready for work. Go day today. But yeah, there is gonna be loads of like pack with me, buying new stuff for the holiday, putting it in my suitcase. There's also going to be a wardrobe update as well. I'm redoing my whole wardrobe, the inside, not the outside. But yeah, there's going to be loads more videos coming up for the rest of this year. I just wanted to keep you guys updated and let you guys know what's going on with the Tenerife situation. So we are no longer going to Tenerife this year, but I'm still going to Butlins over Christmas. Guys, sorry this is a very short video, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated of what's going on. I was meant to mention this in the New Year video, but I completely forgot. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.